Today is January 23rd. I am Vicky and this is
Simon Says!
We finally find out who is the best Uno player in the school. Congratulations to Crystal for winning the Uno tournament last week, and also thank you for everyone who joined us.
Have you ever heard of the January blues? January in Edmonton in the winter can be tough. The nights are long and the days are short, and it can be very cold. So some people feel a bit of sadness or low energy. I've got some tips for you. So some I've already mentioned. Try to get enough sleep. Talk to other people. And here's something new. See the sun. So if you can, go outside during daylight hours. If you can't go outside, find a sunny place to sit. There's some great tables on the second floor. And finally, wear something cozy. What I'm wearing today is my favorite flannel shirt. When I put it on, I feel warm, cozy, and happy. Now, the other thing you can do is come to workshops. We have some great topics this week. Hope to see you there. Here's what some students said about last week's workshops.
Today I love this workshop because I learned the part of speech and the complete sentence.
Well, today I really like the class because I could learn the parts of the sentences, and it's very important because I need to write my essay.
So today we had our listening, and I learned lots of listening skills from this class, and it's really helpful.
Today we had a writing workshop, and guess what? We wrote a paragraph, which I like a lot. Every time I write a paragraph, I feel that I improve. I get better at writing. And what is good, Shauna gave us feedback right away. It is very helpful.
Of course, we all love Conversation Club. Remember, if you're not able to attend in-person workshops, you can always do the SEC online lessons or writing challenge. A big congratulations to Mohammed from the afternoon class, who just became a Canadian citizen.
This Friday, we are going to try a classic winter sport in Canada, curling. Curling is one of popular sport in Canada, and it is easy to understand the rules. The event will cost you $12.50, and there are only 16 spots for this activity. So if you want to go, please sign up from the email on Tuesday. Finally, we wish you a happy Lunar New Year.
See you tomorrow.